Windcurve Tower Fan with nighttime setting from Lasko is perfect for any hot day or night. With its sophisticated profile and space-saving design, this tower fan will blend seamlessly into any room of your home. You can set the fan to automatically turn off after a period of time between 30 minutes and up to 7.5 hours with the electronic timer option. Plus, it has a convenient nighttime feature that automatically decreases fan speed and dims controls for overnight use. The high-reaching tower design and widespread oscillation means the Windcurve Tower Fan will provide maximum air delivery and full room coverage. Features include 3 quiet speeds, a remote, Lasko's Blue Plug patented safety fuse technology to prevent potential safety hazards, and a built-in handle to easily carry from room to room. Control the comfort of any room in your home, anytime, with the Windcurve Tower Fan with nighttime setting from Lasko.
The versatile Lasko Tower Fan is ideal for any living room, bedroom, and even dorm room. Standing at 36 inches, this tower fan with remote control provides white noise as well as options for quiet circulation. Featuring electronic touch control operation, a programmable timer, smooth oscillation and 3 quiet speeds, this fan is as customizable as it is functional. An easy grip handle and patented fuse safety plug allows for easy transport and ensures safety, making Lasko's Tower Fan the perfect addition to any living space.
Introducing the new Ozeri Ultra 42-inch oscillating tower fan with Bluetooth technology. The Ozeri Ultra boasts a stylish design that complements any room decor. It features 3 whisper quiet speed settings with 90-degree oscillation for refreshing air circulation, and custom airflow patterns to foster sleep, relaxation, and comfort.